Good day everyone, I'm Joan and this is the third week of the Earthship project. This journey has been amazing so far and we've been working hard and learning a lot, but we still have a lot to do. So let's get into it. Last week, we finished building the vault, ready to be placed on the top of the Earthship. We also built the formwork to pour the concrete footings for the wall. The concrete truck arrived early in the morning, and we were ready to pour the footings and continue working on the can wall. We used the agitator to remove all the air bubbles from the concrete mix. While the concrete cures, we are starting the second layer of the cup, this time with a different mix, and it's definitely got us pretty dirty.
I'm doing some mixing to do the second layers on the tire wall. Guys are putting the sieve to make it more liquid, and to pull out all the big part of it, like some rocks or some dry clay. Adding some mulch straw in it, so we have only small bits of straw, not long. It's almost the final part before the last render, the last layer of render.
This is very satisfying when you chuck it on the wall and you get it to stick. Wow! Good feeling, it's thrilling, you know. It's thrilling. And then you kind of smooth it down, and there's no sand in it, so it's clayey, nice and it's smooth. Feels amazing and soothing, and your soul just wants to merge with the. You want to be a part of and the clay, and you want to stay here all day.
Yeah, great job. Someone created some special sculptures on the wall. There's some awesome artistic talent in this team. It's time to pack up. While the bottle wall team keeps working on the bottle bricks and the eco bricks made from recycled plastic, Jess, the licensed builder, is going to explain the challenges of keeping a construction site running smoothly.
So some of the challenges of building a house like this are basically the design has been working for a year and a half to get all the approvals, both council and building approvals, so it takes a lot of effort. It's definitely a challenge. A second challenge is probably keeping all the materials up to everybody on site. There's been up to 40 people on site, so materials are getting used up very quickly, so it's a challenge to get them all here at the right time and make sure people don't run out. And while we're doing everything on site, safety is a priority, probably top priority. So.
Breaking news, we had the ABC and even the police sneaking around to check out what we were doing. Some people even put their prettiest outfits for the occasion. The following day, we headed to the gift ship, another Earthship project under construction, not far from ours.
It was absolutely awesome to have people have their time off from this build to show interest and come and work on our build in Mollingip, Victoria. We've named it the Earthship. There are a few differences from here in Pomona compared to Mullingar. One is it's a much bigger build. Dee's was about 300 tyres, ours is about 1,200, and it's 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. As far as houses in Australia go, it's still really small. It's only 150 square metres, and about a third of that is the greenhouse. But the living space is still that cosy, warm feeling that you get in most Earthships. I guess another one of the differences is that we've been owner building. So we've had 2 workshops and we're still not even at lockup. It's a beautiful build. We love doing it, but it is slow and ticking along, and we're taking care of it. As we have money come up, we put money in, and it is not the quickest way to build, but it is a just joy to have this property in Mullingar, and where Kate and I and now Ruby are just making with our own hands a home, and it's just a friggin' awesome way to live.
Kate and Jason are going to be running more sustainable building workshops, so keep an eye on the Earthship media channels. Today, we'll be building the window frame for the interior walls of the home and finally placing the vault on top of the tire wall. It's going to be a great day. The structure that we're building is gonna be holding the frames of the windows. It's good to have unexpected nice surprises. We apply silicone underneath the frames to prevent water leaks. The moment has arrived. We've worked hard for this, and today is a very special day. The operation to move the vault starts now. First, we are going to practice the movement, and then we'll put it into action. One of the straps snapped, and we had to work quickly to recover the original shape of the vault and avoid damaging the structure. Luckily, we have a great team and everything was solved quickly. Nice! We secured the vault to the bond beam and then we were ready to celebrate all the hard work. We put some plastic sheets over the top to protect the wooden frames from the rain. And why not add a pirate flag too? To finish the week the best way possible. We also enjoyed the weekend in the Grampians. It's such an incredible region and also with such an incredible people. Maybe nature really is worth protecting. Maybe the Earthship is really worth building it. So here we are at the end of the third week and it's been super cool. Finally we put the vault on top of the tire wall and it's so great when you start to see all this effort and work like come to actually reality and it looks like a house that it's just amazing. So thank you everyone for supporting us and following this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!